Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is: a customer is trying to return a product they say was damaged when they bought it. Your store policy requires a receipt, but they do not have one to show that they bought it there. What would you be most and least likely to do? Most, pick one of each, refund the customer money and offer replacement product at no cost. Explain that you cannot give refund without a receipt, but other the customer store credit. Give the customers a refund for the product. Explain to them that in the future they should keep receipts for products they may return. Tell them that you cannot refund their money but offer to exchange their product for one that is not broken. And the answer of the question is: most likely explain that you cannot give refunds without receipt but offer the customer store credit. This option respects the store policy while still providing the customer with an alternative benefit. Least likely, give the customer a refund for the product. Explain to them that in the future they should keep receipt for products they may return. This option goes against the store policy requiring a receipt for refunds and could set a problematic precedent. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.